wasting further time, very quickly, we will begin with today's lecture. Good evening to all of you again. Today we are going to learn a very nice play. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay. Okay. Today we are going to begin with 2.6, the past in the present. Okay. Now, this chapter is actually a skit. Okay, as it is written over here, it is skit. Skit matlab, anybody has any idea about what skit is? Okay, it is a play, a drama. It is a live performance by actors in front of you. Correct? We go to see movies in theaters, which is already recorded. Correct? And we watch that movie. That is a movie. A drama is something which is performed in front of you. It is live. Okay. So this is a skit that we are going to study today. A very nice, and you can make it out from the title itself. There is something about the past and the present, and it's really nice. Okay. एक नाटक बोल सकते हो आप. Correct. Okay. So you have a lot of characters which are given here. Okay. You can just have an overview of the same. Okay, we'll not go in detail. We'll not read it as of yet. Okay, we'll directly begin with the scenes. Okay, we need not know the the characters, because as they come, they'll get introduced. Okay, so no worries about that. Come on. Scene. Okay, now this play starts with a scene. The scene is of a typical teenage boy's room in a messed up state. So on the stage, okay, try to imagine every scene which is enacted here, because that will give you a real picture of what was actually going on there. Okay, and it's really easy. Come on. So it is a typical teenage boy's room. Now, what do you mean by teenage? Teenage meaning a person who's between 13 to 19 years of age. See, 13 and 19. So these age is a teenage. Okay. Okay. All those who are telling me that 2.5 is remaining, guys, I know it very well. But since I've started this, let us finish and then we will see. Okay. Okay. So, a typical teenage boy's room in a messed up state. It is today's present generation. The characters are Neil and Mom. Okay. Neil says, Mom, I put the dishes in the dishwasher just as you asked me to. Now I am going to meet my friends. Now enters Mom in a mod outfit. Mod outfit is modern outfit. Okay, it is a modern outfit. Mom says that you haven't cleaned up your room. See, guys, generally, if it would have been our classroom, I would have asked you to read and enact the characters. But I don't know if it is possible here. I could try for this scene at least and then decide. Okay. 2.6, if it is omitted for you guys, even then sit for this lecture. Okay. Because we are going to ask, and that is for sure. Okay. Come on. I want somebody to enact these characters. Who wants to become Neil? A lot of people. Ankita More from DN Nagar. My dear, you can unmute yourself. And I feel you can play the character of Mom. For Neil, I guess Swayam Panchal from Vikroli. Just a second. Okay, I've unmuted
Yes,
both of
ma'am.
you. Just
Yes,
make
miss.
sure that you don't have any disturbance coming from your end. All right, come on, let
Okay,
us begin.
miss.
Neil,
Miss, am
begin
I
with your
audible?
narrator. I'll be the narrator. Fine. Come on.
Okay,
Okay,
miss.
ma'am.
Okay, let's go.
Mom, I put the dishes in the dishwasher just as you asked me to. Now I am going out to meet my friends.
Enters
You
mom
have
in a mod outfit. Mod outfit is modern outfit. तो ये मम्मी एंटर करती है और बहुत जीन्स वगैरह कुछ तो पहना है. आगे.
you
Oh,
haven't cleaned up your room.
I cleaned it only 2 days ago.
You have to clean it up every day.
Picking up his books, clothes, headphones, etc. from the floor and bed and putting them in their places.
Is it necessary to clean up every day? What difference does it make?
It does. It builds up the right habits, the right attitude.
Cuts are short.
All right. I get enough of lectures when school is on.
Irritated. Sorry. After Neil finishes his chores.
That looks much better now. But you forgot to make your bed. Do that and you may go out.
Irritated.
Mom, it's getting late. The bed is going to be messed up again when I sleep after lunch. Why do I have to make my bed? Why?
That reminds me of something I heard about your grandpa when he was in his teens. He had many more daily chores to finish and much tougher ones too.
Continue.
When on that day, his mom had to told him firmly.
Okay, wait. Okay, so this is the scene that that gives you a picture of what happens in this 2020 mom and son relationship. Okay, ये मम्मी आती है रूम में और वो बोलती है कि अरे तेरा रूम कितना मेस्ड अप है, मालूम है कितना मेसी है, मतलब सारी चीजें उधर उधर पड़ी है. So this is now not how it's done. And if you want to go out with your friends, what you have to do is you have to clean your room and then go. Because you have not cleaned it up in 2 days. तो ये बोलते हैं अरे 2 दिन पहले तो साफ किया था यार, रोज रोज क्या करते हैं, रोज कोई साफ करता है क्या, रोज थोड़ी साफ करना होता है. Correct. So she says that no, you have to clean it up every day because it builds up the right attitude, the right habits. आपको अच्छी आदत होती है तो ये सारी चीजें बहुत ही important होती है, तो ये करनी चाहिए. एंड ही कट्स अ शॉर्ट. वो बीच में से उसकी बात काट लेता है और बोलता है अरे हाँ हाँ चलो ना प्लीज यार मॉम, आई गेट इनफ ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दीज लेक्चर्स एवरी डे, स्कूल में भी यही पकाते हैं, आप भी क्या अभी वापस चालू हो गए. एंड सी, I am going to come home after roaming out with my friends and I'm going to sleep again in the afternoon. ऑल राइट. और मैंने काम क्या किया है बहुत बड़ा, मैंने डिशेस को डिश वॉशर में डाला है, ठीक है, और मुझे बहुत ही लेट हो रहा है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गो एंड इट इज द बेड इज गोइंग टू ऑब्वियसली गेट मेस्ड अप अगेन. So what's the need of doing that? Okay, now here this mom says that okay, by the way that you said this, I am reminded about your grandpa. Okay, now this grandpa was in his teens at the time of my talking. मैं जिस टाइम की कहानी बता रही हूँ वो टीन्स में थे, वो भी आपके एज के थे, ठीक है. And he had a lot of chores to finish, he had a lot of things to do. Okay, not like, it was not like you, it was not as simple as you. So this mom tells Neil the story of his grandfather. Are we clear here? Any doubts here? Guys, any doubts here? Okay, chalo, moving on. A teenage boy, now again, this is the stage. A teenage boy from 1950s wearing loose trousers and shirt enters with his mother in a silk sari. So we are, we are taken back to 1950s और उधर ये जो लड़का होता है उसने लूज ट्राउजर्स पहनी हुई रहती है, शर्ट पहना हुआ होता है, एंड उनकी मदर जो होती है उसने एक सिल्क साड़ी पहनी हुई होती है. ओके, the boy's mother, now this boy's mother says that make your bed before going out. See, look at the tone of the voice. Make your bed before going out. But mama, I've already watered the plants, brought home the groceries, dusted the living room, cleaned my bicycle. Now why do I need to make my bed? The boy's mother to her son says that, let me tell you about your grandfather in his teens. Okay, now look at the things that this boy has done from 1950s. वो जमाना क्या था और ये जमाने में उन्होंने काम क्या किया था. But mama, so politely he says that I have already watered the garden. Garden में सारी जगह पानी डाल दिया है. Brought home the groceries. Groceries भी खरीद के लेकर आया हूँ. Dusted the living room. I have cleaned my bicycle. Now why do I need to make my bed? So this is this typical thing I feel which is so universal. Okay, it is transcending the boundaries of time and space. I'll just give you an example. कोई लोगों को, बहुत लोगों को ऐसा थोड़ा stupid लगता है ना कि अरे क्या बेड बनाना. I'll just give you an example. So, most of our mothers, okay, most of our Indian mothers, they crib about their children drinking milk. So all of them want कि अरे दूध पी के जाना, ये कर वो कर. But this is so typical, you know. Correct. So this will give you an idea of why this is very universal statement. बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं. He is not drinking milk. She is not drinking milk. You have to drink milk. That is compulsory. बाकी सब जो करना है वो कर. ठीक है. Jai Chavan from Ghatkopar, I'll give you the last warning or else I'll remove you. Please don't ask me questions which are not related to the text. Since right now we are doing this chapter, please focus there and then we will solve your doubts at the end. Fine? Okay. So, तो ये भी सेम चीज होता है कि अरे मैं क्यों अपना बेड बनाऊं ये वो. ठीक है, तो वो वापस बोलते हैं अरे तेरे दादाजी पता है कितना काम करते हैं. मैं तेरे दादाजी की कहानी सुनाऊं. So we are again taken back into the time frame. Okay, 1950s boy and mother recede. Recede is go back in the stage and stand behind. And 1910 boy enters dressed in kurta pajamas and a cap with his mother in a 9-yard sari, 9-yard Nawari sari, nose ring and jewelry. Okay, so the picture on the right hand side. Okay. The 1910 mother says that you can't go out unless you make your bed. तू बाहर जा ही नहीं सकता अगर तूने बेड अपना नहीं बनाया तो. ये तो धमकी है. Okay, look at how the tone changes, the attire changes. All right. 1910 boy, mummy, I fetched water and filled up the pots, swept the terrace, collected wood for the stove, cleaned the grinding stones. अभी इसने कितने सारे काम किए हैं देखो. हाँ, मम्मी आई फेच्ड वाटर, मैं पानी भर के लाया. उस जमाने में there was no tap system. Okay, so you had to actually go and collect water from either wells, lakes or whatever, and filled up the pots. Now he has also swept the terrace पे झाड़ू लगाया, collected wood for the stove. It gives you the picture that तभी gas line या gas भी नहीं था, so they had to cook their food on stove. Cleaned the grinding stones. उसने grinding stones जहाँ कोई भी चीज का mixture powder बनाते हैं, वो जो अभी अपने टिपिकल लैंग्वेज, नेटिव लैंग्वेज में उसको क्या बोलते हैं? एनीबॉडी, एनी आइडिया? ग्राइंडिंग स्टोन्स को क्या बोलते हैं टिपिकल अपना नेटिव लैंग्वेज में? ओके ओके, एनीवे लेट अस मूव अहेड. हाँ, 1 मिनट. It's not, guys, it's not flint stones नहीं होता. Sudakhanda, I'm not sure about this. Oakley, I'm not sure about this also. Oakley, okay, Oakley, Pathri. Pata Valvanta. अच्छा, okay. I am, हाँ, the stone which is used to make chutney in पहले का जमाना. हाँ, 2 stones are basically rubbed against each other. हाँ, तो आपको समझा, correct. So Neil again, नील तो स्टेज पे ही है, उसकी मॉम भी आ गई है, ठीक है. तो वो बोलते टू हिज मॉम, नील पूछता है कि व्हाट आर ग्राइंडिंग स्टोन्स? yes, they didn't have any electric grinders in those days. जैसे अपने इलेक्ट्रिक मिक्सचर्स आते हैं, ग्राइंडर्स आते हैं, चॉपर्स आते हैं आजकल, तो ये सारी चीजें तो उन लोग के पास नहीं थी ना. करेक्ट. ओके, सो दे हैड दिस स्टोन्स. फाइन. This mom said that no electricity either in most towns and cities in India then. वो बोलती है अरे इलेक्ट्रिक ग्राइंडर्स तो बहुत दूर की बात है, तब के जमाने में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं थी in most towns and cities in India. Okay, because इतना advanced technology नहीं था. Just imagine when you go back and look at the only in the span of 100 years, you can see what tremendous progress this mankind has made. Can you imagine? Right now we are able to do everything, every single thing on technology, and we are totally and completely dependent on that. I'm not pointing out the good and the bad thing, but I'm just asking you to look at the vast difference that our lives have because of it. Okay, just imagine electricity nahi thi 100 saal pehle. So how much has changed in the past 100 years? It has changed a lot, a lot. I feel since the introduction of smartphones itself, it has changed a lot. All right. So obviously, the place from your the place from where your grandparents are coming, it's quite different. I know that my grandmother has used all of these grinding stones, and she has lived in a kacha house and all of that. So yes, this chapter is an eye opener if you really look at it like that. Okay, okay, we'll move ahead now. Neil looks surprised. Now the 1910 boy, he continues, I promised to go to the riverside with my friends. Why do I have to make my bed now? वो बोलता है कि अरे मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था, मुझे दोस्तों के साथ रिवर साइड घूमने जाना है. अगर हम लोग को कहीं पे चिल या हैंग आउट करना होता है तो हम लोग मॉल में जाते हैं. Correct? Yeah. So he wanted to go to riverside and enjoy with his friends. एंड ऑब्वियसली द सेम कंप्लेन, अरे यार अभी क्यों बेड बनाओ यार, अभी क्या जरूरत है, मुझे बाहर जाना है, मुझे खेलने जाना है. ठीक है. ओके. द बॉयज मदर, द 1910 की जो मदर है, वो बोलती है, let me tell you about your great grandfather who lived in the 19th century. When he was young, and then the story continues. Now the 1910 boy and mother recede to where the previous pair stands. मतलब स्टेज पे जहाँ पे 1950 वाले जो मदर एंड सन के पेयर खड़े हैं, वहाँ पे 1910 mother and son, both of them, they go a little back on the stage, and now the new pair enters. Okay, so the 1800 boy enters in dhoti, kurta and small turban with his mother in a 9-yard sari and traditional jewelry. Okay. Okay, Now another doubt that most people have in this thing is, what do you mean by make your bed? अगर सारी चीजें चेंज हो रही है तो what bed थोड़ी पहले के जमाने में bed था क्या? We did not have bed, correct? Then why is this phrase make your bed used so frequently in this chapter? Can somebody tell me the answer? Okay, clean your room. Fine. Others, please tell me. Okay. All right. So basically, very good. Kaushiki from Takshila, very good. Okay. So just, yeah, as most of you have put it correctly, जहाँ पे भी you have slept, okay, wherever, whatever place you have slept, you have to just arrange the pillows, whatever mattress you have slept on, whatever blanket you have used, whatever you have used, you have to just clean and arrange that place. Clean the place, arrange the things in order, keep it in order. Correct? Okay, somebody told me he wants to become Neil. I feel most of you guys are Neil. I highly doubt if anybody helps at your, you know, in at their places. So basically here bed बनाना मतलब properly arrange करना everything. ठीक है? चलो. Now we'll move ahead. The 1800 mother, just to look at what she says, huh? Son, make everyone's bed. वो सीधा बम्बार्ड करती है, वो सीधा ऑर्डर, अरे तू सबका काम कर, चल तेरा खुद का नहीं सबका काम कर, ठीक है? ओके, सो सन मेक एवरीवन्स बेड. जस्ट अ सेकंड. ओके. 1800 boy, mother dear, I have washed clothes at the river and put them up to dry. I also chopped the wood, fixed the broken fence, took the goats up the hill to graze. I want to play Atya Patya with my friends. Why do I have to make the beds? ठीक है, अभी देखो उसने कितना काम किया है. मदर डियर, आई वॉश द क्लोथ्स एट द रिवर, मैंने रिवर के पास कपड़े धोए, मैंने उसको सुखाया भी, उनको सुखाया भी, मैंने वुड को चॉप किया फॉर द स्टव, ऑब्वियसली फॉर कुकिंग. I fixed the broken fence, मैंने फेंस को भी ठीक किया. Now it gives you a picture of उस जमाने में कैसे थे उनके घर, ठीक है? Took the goats up the hill to graze, goats को भी ऊपर लेके गया hill पे to graze. Okay, and now he wanted to play Atya Patya with his friends. Now Atya Patya is an outdoor game. Okay, very similar to Kabaddi or something. Yes. So Atya Patya is an outdoor game, and he wanted to go and play with his friends. Okay. So वो वापस पूछ रहा था, why do I have to make everyone's bed? I don't want to. I just want to go and play with my friends. The boy's mother says that that's your daily work. Your great great grandfather did even more. Now go and make your beds. ओके, तो वो ऐसे बहुत ऐसा सीधा ऑर्डर ही करती है, कमांड ही करती है. तो ये तो तेरा रोज का काम है, तेरे को तो करना ही पड़ेगा, उसमें तू कुछ बहुत नहीं कर रहा. ओके, सो बेसिकली द work that they did was quite physically challenging. Okay, when we take our scenario, we don't do this much. Okay, definitely I feel तब के जमाने में mental stress इतना नहीं था. Okay, today they did not have so much of competition, nor did they have this rat race, nor did they have the pressure of going and working, whatever that is. Okay, we are in constant स्कूल में इतने मार्क्स आने चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए. तो we are going through a lot of mental stress, but the point is they had their stuff too. Okay. Okay. Now, next. 1800 boy and mother recede to where the previous pairs stand. Enters 1500 boy dressed in a loose sleeveless V-neck top and short dhoti. and his mother in a 9-yard sari. So you can tell, see the picture on the left hand side. Okay. Now, graze means ऊपर उनको खाना, ग्रास देने, मतलब ग्रास जब भी देना होता है तो पहले के जमाने में हिल्स पे लेके जाते थे और कैटल्स जो होती थी वो उधर ग्रास खाते हैं, तो उसका मतलब होता है ग्रेस. ओके. नाउ 9-yard साड़ी इज अ नववारी साड़ी, महाराष्ट्र में ऐसा बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Okay. Neil, and this forefather of mine is from, mom says that this 1500 boy was from 16th century. Now this 1500 boy says that, my dear mother, I have already milked the cows, taken them to graze, fetched vegetables from our farm, stacked them, swept the backyard and front yard. Now may I please go to play Ashtapada with Sampat Bhav and Mahadev Bhav? Why should I make my bed now? Okay. So he says that कि मैंने already जो काव या बफेलो या जो भी कैटल थी, काउस, सॉरी, it is mentioned here. So cow में से milk निकाल दिया है. This process is called milking. Okay. So the verb form is used. Milk मतलब milk निकालना cow में से. मैंने उनको हिल पे ग्रास खाने भी मैं लेके गया. मैंने आके अपने ही फार्म से फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स जो थे वो निकाला, अपने घर के लिए जो यूज होने वाला था वो साइड में निकाला. Came into the kitchen, piled them, kept them in order, okay, arranged them properly in the kitchen. I have swept, मैंने झाड़ू लगाया, front yard and the backyard. Front yard आंगन जो होता है घर का, ठीक है, घर के आगे का जो पार्ट होता है वो. Backyard is घर के पीछे का पार्ट. Okay, the open space which is there in front of the house and at the back of the house. So I've also swept that. Now he wanted to go and play Ashtapada. Ashtapada is पहले का जमाने का chess. Okay. Okay. So it is a chess sort of a board game. तो वो बोलता है अभी मुझे अष्टपाडा खेलने जाना है with Sampat Bhav and Mahadev Bhav. Why should I make my bed now? मैं अभी ही क्यों बनाऊं मेरा bed? मुझे नहीं करना ये काम. Why? Don't talk back. Think of your double great grandfather when he was about 14 years old. Okay. So this mother says, how dare you talk back to me? तूने ऐसे हिम्मत भी कैसे की मेरे सामने बोलने की? At those times, you know, this was very, very given that you can't talk back to your parents. Now I'm not telling this is right, wrong, moral science kya hai, correct hai, but they had this ultimate respect for their parents. I still feel that if your parents are wrong at any place, you can definitely tell them, but politely. Okay. So yeah, so ये मम्मी बोलती है कि how dare you do that? Now तू सोच कि तेरे पहले के grandfather, बहुत पहले के grandfather क्या करते थे, ठीक है? Now this 1500 boy and his mother Rashid enters 1000 boy in a flare tunic and churidar, waistband and turban with his mother in a sari, upper garment and plenty of jewelry. So the picture at the right side. Okay. Let us see what they say. This boy says that most revered mother, most revered meaning respected. So most respected mother, I have fetched water from the lake. मैंने लेक में से पानी लेके आया and poured it into the farm channels to water our crops. I cleared the block channels and pulled out weeds. At home, I patched the mud walls where there were cracks. Now I have no time for anything else. I wish to go to watch the puppet show. Why do I have to make my bed? Okay, तो वो कितना काम करता है देखो. हाँ, it just sort of makes us realize how much responsibilities our ancestors had, how much work did they do to make us realize. All those who feel that this chapter is boring, it is to make us realize how fortunate we are due to the gift and the boon of technology. Okay, things are really, really easier for us, at least physically. Okay, so this boy, he says that वो पानी भर के आया लेक में से, फिर उसकी फार्म चैनल्स में पोर किया. नाउ पहले के जमाने में इरिगेशन कैसे होता था, दैट फार्म चैनल्स हियर इट मींस कि प्लांट्स जो क्रॉप्स होते हैं उसके बाजू में देयर इज अ चैनल. सो इट्स लाइक some part of the mud is taken out and it is semicircular in shape, inverted semicircular. Okay, तो ऐसे एक चैनल बन जाती है, एक पाइप जैसा बन जाता है. Okay, it's not a pipe but it's inside the land. Okay, so उधर उसने पानी डाला. I cleared the block channel. तो उसमें जब भी पानी डालते हैं ना बेटा, तो बहुत सारी बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि unwanted plants grow there. Okay, there is a lot of growth there because पानी बहुत होता है और fertile land होती है, तो बहुत सारे other plants भी grow हो जाते हैं. तो ये पानी अगर ये plants की वजह से block हो गया, तो the water cannot flow ahead and then the other crops will not get the water. So ये जो unwanted plants होते हैं उसको weed बोलते हैं. ठीक है, weed are the unwanted plants. So इसने बोला कि उसने weed को भी pull out कर दिया. Unwanted plants जो होते हैं, unwanted grass या जो भी जो grow हो गया था, उसको उसने निकाल दिया. ठीक है. At home, this is the work that he had done at the farm. उसके farm में ये सारा काम किया. Now, at home I patched the mud walls. Mud wall एक कच्चा हाउस था. ठीक है, where there were cracks. तो उसको cracks जो थी उसके घर पे वो mud के साथ उसने fill कर दिया. Now I have no time for anything else. अभी क्या time है, मैं सुबह से काम कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, I wish to go to watch the puppet show. उसको puppet show देखने जाना था. So why do I have to make my bed? The boy's mother, do not grumble, dear son. Do not grumble. Do not complain about your work, dear son. Your triple great grandfather had to do much more when he was your age. Okay, तो वापस एक ही चीज बोलते हैं कि अरे आपके ancestors तो उससे भी ज्यादा काम करते हैं. ठीक है. Now, 1000 boy and his mother recede enters the first century Christian era boy dressed in a dhoti and a waistband, no shirt, and his mother in a sari and an upper garment and beads jewelry. ठीक है. The 100 CE boy. No, it was not Stone Age, my dear. It was not Stone Age. Stone Age भी आएगा उसके बाद. अभी ये देखो. Mata Devi, I fed the poultry, tended the sheep, kept the birds away for 4 hours in our field using a sling, also plastered the yard with dung. I wish to go and play bagchal with my friends now. Why do you wish me to make the beds right now? The boy's mother, because that is what boys have to do. Let me tell you about your ancestors 3000 years ago. ठीक है. सो ये बोलती है, ये लड़का बोलता है कि माता देवी, मैंने क्या किया? I have fed the poultry. Poultry, guys, what do you mean by poultry? Okay, yeah. So hen, chicken, ये सारे जो animals होते हैं उनको poultry बोला जाता है. Cow, buffaloes, goat, इनको cattle बोला जाता है. ठीक है. तो चिकन, हेन और एग, ये सारी चीजें जो है वो पोल्ट्री में आती है. तो ये पोल्ट्री जो है उनको खाना दिया ये लड़के ने. टेंडेड द शीप. टेंडर इज ही हैड टेकन केयर ऑफ शीप. यू कैन जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. टेंडेड, टेकन केयर ऑफ. Okay, he kept the birds away for 4 hours. in our field using a sling. So at that time we understand that there was no concept of a scarecrow. Okay, birds अगर क्रॉप्स खा जाएंगे तो फिर प्रोडक्शन कुछ होगा ही नहीं, उसके लिए वो बर्ड्स को डराने के लिए स्केयरक्रो रखते हैं, करेक्ट ना। ये तभी तो कुछ था नहीं, मतलब नहीं होगा, इसके लिए ये जो लड़का था for 4 hours in कड़ी धूप, okay, he stood in the middle of the field, और एक sling होता है. Now sling is basically there is a handle and there is a long sort of a leather strap, okay, a belt sort of thing you can understand. तो ये sling ऐसे घुमा रहा था ऊपर, okay, जैसे एक whip होता है ना, मतलब when there is a horse cart, okay, तो ये जो horse cart का driver होता है वो जो एक छड़ी sort of use करता है ना horse को मारने के लिए so that he runs fast, तो that is a whip sort of thing. तो ये चीज वो लेके birds को उड़ा रहा था, ठीक है, understood very well. So for 4 hours in scorching heat, he was standing and he was making the birds go away so that his production is not affected. He also plastered the yard with dung. उसने वापस घर को ठीक किया with dung. Dung is cow dung. Okay, गोबर, गोबर से उसने plaster वापस सब किया, ठीक है. Now he wanted to go and play बागचल with his friends. अभी उसको बाहर जाके बागचल खेलना था. बागचल again, it is an outdoor game activity. Okay, so he wanted to go and play that with his friends. He obviously says that अरे मेरे को अभी क्या जरूरत है, अभी क्यों करूँ मैं ये काम, ठीक है. Boy's mother, she says that because that is what boys have to do. This is your responsibility. This is what you have to do. So let me tell you something about your ancestor 3000 years back. Very clear with this? Okay. Now, first century boy and mother recede enters boy from 3000 before Christian era. Now here we talk about Stone Age. Okay, Stone Age में कैसा हुआ करता था? A cloth around waist held by a cord. तब अच्छे वाले कपड़े नहीं थे, there were no clothes, correct? So what did people do back then? एक cloth था, piece of cloth, anything that they must have found out, okay? Not really a cloth I feel, okay, but there was this thing and वो waist पे बांधने के लिए to make it steady on the waist there was a belt sort of thing, a cord. cord मतलब एक रस्सी जैसा चीज था, वो बांध दिया, ठीक है. long hair in a bun, बाल बहुत लंबे थे, it was put in a bun or a ponytail. And his mother, she wore a sari, a veil, veil मतलब घूंघट था, ठीक है. stone and beads jewelry, तो stone का jewelry था, ठीक है. now 3000 before Christian era, boy says that me bow to thee. Okay, now here you need to understand it very well, huh? You can write it down if you have any doubts here. Me bow to thee. I bow to you. I bow to you. मैं आपको प्रणाम करता हूँ. Me hunted down the food for our family. Here we understand that the language was not quite spoken well during this age. Okay, वो थोड़ा टूटा फूटा था. So I hunted down the food for our family. मैं अपनी family के लिए food hunt करने गया था, ठीक है. Me helped father to carve stone bricks for our new house, and they wanted to shift to a new house, and therefore he helped his father to carve stone bricks for our new house. So here we get an example from this Robinson family, if you remember. Okay, they were stranded obviously and they had to do the same, but तब के जमाने में ये carve करना पड़ता था stone house. Okay, me dusted our leather clothes, molded mud pots for cooking and put them to dry. उसने और क्या किया, उसने leather के clothes को dust किया, He molded the mud pot. Mud pot मतलब मटका जो होता है अपना, वो भी उसने मोल्ड किया, उसने अपने से बनाया ऐसे मोल्ड करके, for cooking and put them to dry, और वो सुखाने के लिए रख दिया. Me need your kind permission. I need your kind permission to go and play chopper with my friends. Me friends, my friends. Okay. Now chopper is prehistoric version of chess. Again, it is a prehistoric version of chess. So he says that I want to go and play chopper with my friends. Why dost thou needs me to make me bed? Okay, now understand this. Why dost is do, thou is you. So why do you need me to make my bed now? आपको क्यों चाहिए कि मैं अभी अपना बेड बनाऊं? मैं इतने सारे तो काम किए, मैंने डैड को हेल्प की, मैंने खाना ढूंढ के हंट करके लाया, मैंने बाकी बहुत सारे काम किए ना. Why do I need to make the bed now? Because me say so, do it now. वो क्या बोलते हैं? Because मैंने बोला ना अभी कर, तो अभी कर. You have to do it right now. Okay. Yes. So why dost thou is why do you. Thee means you, thou means you. All right. Okay, moving on. All mothers to their son in turn repeat. Now, because all of these mother-son duo were on the stage, so abhi lights on ho jati hai and everybody is visible. The ones at the back who had gone to the back are also now visible, and all of these mothers to their sons, they say that do it now, with the boys answering yes mother. और ये सारे boys answer करते हैं एक साथ yes mother. Okay. Now Neil, he says that okay, so young teenage boys have had chores to do outdoors as well as in their homes. तो ये एक चीज realize करता है कि अच्छा पहले के जमाने में लड़कों को, मेरे एज के ही लड़कों को बाहर का काम भी बहुत करना पड़ता था और घर का भी बहुत कुछ था. In those days there were no maids or there was no house help, and I feel all of us right now, okay, including me, we know the importance of a house help. Okay, it's so important. We have spent like months without one and we understand the importance of the same, correct? तो उसने बोला कि हाँ ये सब काम करना इतना डिफिकल्ट है ना, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है ये सब काम करना. वेरी मच सो, एब्सोल्युटली राइट. नील बोलता आई विश यार आई हैड अ रोबोट टू मेक माय बेड एंड टाइडी अप माय रूम. मेरा रोबोट होता तो कितना अच्छा होता ना, वो सारा कुछ मेरा काम कर देता, रूम क्लीन कर देता, मेक माय बेड, एवरीथिंग ही वुड डू. इट वुड हैव बीन सो कन्वीनियंट फॉर मी. मॉम सेज दैट नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल. हाँ बेटा तू जाना अपना रोबोट बना, जाने से पहले चुपचाप अपना बेड बना के जा. हाँ, very smart way, very sarcastic. Okay, so she says that nothing is impossible. If you try, you can make such a robot. If you try, you can make such a robot. But even for that, you need to work hard. The bottom line is go and make your bed. Bottom line kya hai? Where does this mother stop? You have to go. You have to make your bed if you want to go. Very clear with this? Okay, guys. Do we have any sort of doubts here? No, pakka. Okay. Yes, Aishwarya, I totally agree with you. My dear, graze means कैटल जो होते हैं, काव, बफेलो, गोट, शीप, ये सारे कैटल जो होते हैं उनको घास खिलाने को हिल पे लेके जाते हैं, तो उसको ग्रेजिंग बोलते हैं. जब भी ये कैटल ग्रास खाते हैं उसको ग्रेजिंग बोलते हैं. ठीक है? ओके फाइन. नाउ मूविंग ऑन. Curtains, basically curtains close, here the play ends. Yes, it is quite funny at the end. Come on, now since we have some time, let us try to finish 2.5. Okay, I feel we'll be able to do it. It is a very short poem. ठीक है, If you cooperate with me, it will take like, I will extend for 5 more minutes. But believe me, guys, then you will not have to come back again and sit for another half an hour. What do you say? अभी खत्म कर दूं? पक्का? The timing is still 6:30, I know that, but if I extend for another 5 minutes, 6:35 tak, because I know that you have the next lecture at 6:45, okay? So without wasting much time, okay, so that you will not have to sit again, listen to me again and again, ठीक है? तो अभी चलो जल्दी कर लेते हैं. Okay. Now the poem Autumn, and I want you to look at these pictures because they are very, very beautiful depiction of nature. Okay. Autumn. Now this poem is written by Kalidas, who's a very, very, very famous Hindi poet. Okay. Now it was written by Kalidas and then translated by Professor A.W. Ryder. Okay, but because it is a very, very nice, beautiful poem. Now अगर seasonal poems अगर हम देखें तो बहुत सारी languages में season के बारे में बहुत सारी poetry लिखी जाती है. और अगर सबसे ज्यादा common है तो वो I guess rainy season के बारे में हम लोग ने बहुत कविताएं पढ़ी है. Lot of poems are based on, what do we say? Yes, correct? Rainy, monsoon. So this is something really different. The season of autumn is beautifully described by personifying it as a beautiful young girl. Correct? मतलब ये जो autumn की season है, autumn की season को fall भी बोला जाता है. FALL fall. Now fall means everything literally falls down. ठीक है. हमारे यहाँ इंडिया में ये इतनी दिख के नहीं आती ये जो सीजन होती है. It's not quite literally visible to us because we have 3 major seasons. Okay. But when you go to foreign countries or the Western countries, you see that actually in so many of the movies you must have seen that everything turns golden, yellow, red, and then the leaves fall down. Okay, so that is the season of autumn. ठीक है, सारे पत्ते ऐसे नीचे गिर जाते हैं. The tree is lifeless and there are no leaves and everything is yellow and golden down. Okay. So spring होता है इंडिया में, obviously it is spring, but we can't actually differentiate as such. उसमें बाहर की countries में you can actually differentiate between spring and monsoon. Here we can't actually. ठीक है? Okay, now so ये autumn को describe करते हुए कालिदास ने autumn को बोला है कि ये autumn जो है ना वो एक बहुत beautiful young लड़की है. Okay, she is a very, very beautiful young girl and उसको describe किया है. वो girl को describe करते करते actually उन्होंने autumn season को describe किया है. Very clear with this? Okay, so the autumn comes. Why the is capital? Because autumn is personified here. Autumn here actually means autumn a girl. Okay, autumn को personify किया है. Fine. Okay, so the autumn comes maiden fair in slenderness and grace, with nodding rise stems in her hair and lilies in her face. ये बोलते हैं कि ये जब autumn आती है ना, ये लड़की autumn जब ये आती है ना, वो कौन है पता है? वो एक maiden है. Maiden, a young, beautiful, unmarried girl. All right. So in the first part of this poetry, it is about the day description. दिन में ये कैसी लगती है या दिन में autumn कैसी लगती है. ठीक है. So this autumn is actually a maiden, a young beautiful girl who is very fair. She is very slender, she is very graceful, बहुत ही elegant तरीके से चलती चलती आ रही है and she is very beautiful. Okay, बहुत slender है, बहुत thin है, बहुत अच्छी दिख रही है, बहुत young भी है. With nodding rise stems in her hair. और उसके hair में क्या है? There are nodding rice stems. Why nodding rice stems? Because that is the time the rice stems are harvested. Okay, so as you can see in this picture, the green one. Okay, so nodding rice stems in her head and lilies in her face. और उसके face पे क्या है? उसके face पे lilies है. Okay, because during the season of autumn, lilies, you can see lilies at a lot of place. Okay, lilies grow in abundance, बहुत सारे होते हैं. So basically ये बोलना चाहते हैं कालिदास कि उसका फेस जो है, ये ऑटम का फेस जो है, ये इतना चार्मिंग, ये इतना ब्यूटीफुल है, इतना लवली है, जितना लवली एक लिली का फ्लावर होता है, उतना अच्छा फ्लावर है, उतना अच्छा फेस है. ठीक है. And in flowers of grasses she is clad. She is covered with flowers of grasses. What do you mean by that? At a lot of places you may notice that grass जो होता है ना, उसमें बहुत छोटे 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 flowers होते हैं, बहुत ही minuscule flowers होते हैं. Actually वो कोई plant नहीं होता, but ऐसे ही grass में बहुत ऐसा छोटे छोटे flowers होते हैं. So because it is day and this girl has roamed in farms and fields, so she is entirely covered. Clad is covered. I repeat, clad is covered with flowers of grasses, very tiny flowers, very minute flowers. Okay, and as she moves along and as she is approaching us, as she is moving on, ये धीरे धीरे जब ये सीजन आ रही है और आगे बढ़ रही है, तभी birds greet her with a cooing glad like a bracelet's tinkling song. ये जो birds है वो भी उनको welcome कर रहे हैं. Okay, it is welcoming. The birds are welcoming by making noises. Obviously they sing song, they make noises. Okay, so with the cooing is making noise. They're very happy to welcome this autumn because she is really very beautiful. And ये जो उनका cooing glad है, जो happy singing है, it is compared to a bracelet's tinkling song. So when you wear a bracelet and there is some tinkling song which comes, थोड़ा ऐसा bracelet का जो आवाज आता है, जो बहुत ही soothing होता है, तो ऐसा आवाज आ रहा है, and it's very very beautiful. Okay. So again, the birds are welcoming her with their sweet songs, and the sound of these sweet songs are compared with the tinkling song, with the sound of the bracelet tinkling. So yes, it is onomatopoeia. Very good. Okay. Soothing is very calming, very peaceful. Okay, come on. Why is autumn a maiden? Because ऐसा compare करने में आया है. ऑटम को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए ऑटम को एक लड़की बनाया है, और लड़की बहुत ही यंग है, ठीक है, और उसको डिस्क्राइब करता है. तो एक्चुअली दिस इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अ लेडी, अ गर्ल, बट इज एक्चुअली अ सीजन. फाइन. ओके, मूविंग ऑन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पैरा, द नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा, talks about the appearance of this autumn season and lady during the night time. पहले जो था वो डे टाइम के लिए था, and the next stanza is about the night time. नाइट टाइम में क्या होता है, ठीक है. Okay. A diadem adorns the night of multitudinous stars. Her silken robe is white moonlight, set free from the cloudy bars. Okay. A diadem adorns the night. What do you mean by a diadem? A diadem is a crown. ठीक है, क्राउन. तो जैसा आप स्नैपचैट फिल्टर्स पे वो फ्लावर्स वाला पहनते हो, उसको डियाडम बोलते हैं. तो ये डियाडम, ये क्राउन जो होता है, it is adorning, it is decorating, it is making more beautiful the night, because एक डायडम है. और ये डियाडम किसका बना है? ऑफ मल्टीट्यूडिनस स्टार्स. मल्टीट्यूडिनस स्टार, ये जो नॉर्मली फ्लावर्स का आप क्राउन बनाते हो या कोई ज्वेल्स का क्राउन बनाते हो, ये जो नाइट टाइम का जो क्राउन है वो किससे बना है? वो मल्टीट्यूडिनस, न्यूमरस स्टार्स से बना है, ठीक है. ओके, सो रात को एक क्राउन है जो बहुत ही, रात ने एक क्राउन पहना है जो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है, और ये क्राउन क्या है, किससे बना है, स्टार्स से बना है, ठीक है. Okay, her silken robe, whose silken robe are we talking about? Her silken robe, we are talking about the young girl's silken robe, the autumn's silken robe. ये जो autumn है उसने एक रोब पहना है, ठीक है, सिल्क का कपड़ा पहना है, ओके, which is white moonlight, ओके. उसने डायरेक्टली बोल दिया है कि इट इज व्हाइट मूनलाइट. वेरी क्लियर विद दिस. तो एक्चुअली इट इज कंपेयर्ड कि उसने जो रोब पहना है, उसने जो कपड़े पहने हैं वो इतने ब्यूटीफुल है, इतने वाइट है ना कि वो मूनलाइट की जैसे जितने वाइट है. बट हियर इट इज डायरेक्टली कंपेयर्ड, directly said that her silken robe is actually white moonlight. वो एकदम white moonlight जितना प्योर और इतना ही white है, ठीक है. So it is metaphor. Very clear with this. So her silken robe, her robe is made of silk, which is like beautiful white moonlight, set free from cloudy bars. And see, a lot of times it so happens that we cannot look at the stars very clearly or the moon very clearly, or we cannot see the moonlight very clearly because there are a lot of clouds in the sky. But this time, during this season, we can see the stars and the moonlight and the moon very clearly because it is set free. Okay, मतलब उधर नहीं है, क्या नहीं है, cloudy bar नहीं है, clouds नहीं है, so we can see all of this very very clearly. So the night is lit by this moonlight. Okay, रात को थोड़ा उजाले जैसा है because of this moonlight. All right, and on her face the radiant moon. उसके फेस को क्या बोला है, the radiant moon. उसका फेस ही एक radiant moon की तरह है, ठीक है. bewitching smiles are shown, और उसके फेस पे क्या है, वो उसका फेस है क्या, मून की तरह है, उतना प्योर, उतना वाइट, उतना कोमल है. and on that bewitching smiles are shown. what do you mean by bewitching? वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, वेरी कैप्टिवेटिंग, मतलब देख के आप पिघल जाओगे ऐसा. सो वेरी कैप्टिवेटिंग स्माइल्स आर शोन, बहुत ही अच्छी स्माइल्स है उस पे, ठीक है. शी सीम्स अ स्लेंडर मेड, वो दिखती तो है बहुत ही स्लेंडर मेड, स्लेंडर अ वेरी यंग मेड, ओके, वो बहुत ही यंग गर्ल, ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल दिखती है. हु सून will be a women grown, जो बहुत ही जल्दी is going to be converted into a woman. So basically this autumn is a transitionary period where this girl is going to become a lady. Okay, so it basically means that this autumn is a transitionary season because वो धीरे धीरे विंटर में कन्वर्ट होने वाली है. वेरी क्लियर विद दिस. Okay, maid right now in present use we use maid for the house help, जो अपने house chores करने में अपने को help करते हैं. पहले के जमाने में maid जो use करते थे, वो maid का मतलब था a young beautiful girl who is unmarried. All right, so autumn is this transitionary period after which this girl is going to become a woman, a fully grown woman, and the season of autumn is a transitionary period after which the winter season has to be welcomed. Very very clear with this. Okay guys, radiant is very bright. Okay, radiant is very bright. Robe means a gown sort of thing. Okay, so here we complete this poetry too. Bewitching meaning captivating, enchanting, very fascinating. Okay, adorns means decorated. Adorns meaning decorated. Cloudy bar मतलब bar sorry, cloudy नहीं है. Basically it is not very cloudy. Okay. Okay. Diadem, my dear, that is given to you here. It means crown. Now stars here, it means stars itself. Okay. Okay. Yes, so here we finish this poetry 2, and we are done with 2.5 and 2.6, which completes your textual portion. I hope all of you have understood this very properly. Okay, thank you very much. And yes, guys, you can leave, take care, and stay safe. Okay, bye everyone. Have a great day ahead. Bye.